So, Grok AI just did something that will annoy a lot of creators. They removed free video generation. Yeah, just like that. But here's the crazy part. Most people think this is the end. It's actually not. What I'm about to show you might be even better. If you've been using Grok to make videos, you already know how easy it was. Type a prompt, click generate, done. Now, you're either stuck or forced to pay. Not everyone wants to spend money just to test ideas, instead of depending on one tool. I'll show you a smarter way using completely free tools. Once you understand this, you'll never rely on just one AI again. Instead of Grok, let me show you a powerful alternative that many people are sleeping on. It's called Qwen, and yes, you can generate videos for free. First, open your browser and search for Qwen AI. Click the official website and create an account. Sign up with your email or log in with Google. It takes about 1 minute. If this is helping, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I'll be dropping more videos showing how to create content with AI for free. Once inside, many get confused. Find the generation tools. Look for anything related to media or video generation. Names may vary, but once you find it, click it. Qwen only generates short clips of about 5 seconds each. That might sound limiting, but don't worry. Create multiple clips and stitch them together to make a longer video. Type a detailed prompt for each clip. For example, a giant alien walking through a city, cinematic lighting, realistic destruction, slow camera movement. Hit generate. Repeat for the next scene and the next until you have as many clips as needed. Since these are short clips, combine them in a video editor like CapCut. Drop in all clips, arrange them. Add transitions, slight zooms, camera shakes, and subtle motion. That's how to make it look cinematic. Pro tip, don't generate one angle only. Create multiple perspectives, camera angles, or slight variations to build a full, dynamic video. Once combined and cinematic, add realistic voiceovers and sound to make the video feel professional. So, even though Grok removed free video generation, it's not the end. This method gives more control and better quality. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more AI content. I'll see you in the next one.